Soriano.
Hi. We're here on foreplay. We have 3 fishing rods that are loaded, but we haven't been lucky today. It's about 9 o'clock. We left port at 7:30. We're here near Fisherman's Wharf in Subic Bay. We're in the middle of the bay right now, and we're just spending a whole morning relaxing. Hopefully, if we catch some fish, we will have lunch in here and eat the fish. That's why we brought a rice cooker and we brought a coffee maker so we can have some fish. And we brought some sili and toyo, and we will cook rice on our rice cooker. But we're not too lucky, so we might eat nothing for lunch. Pan ka ng konti. Marahan lang ang paning, marahan lang. Ako naman, mahawak. Ako naman umupo dyan. So now, okay. Sally is now also waiting for the fish. Siya ay nagdadasal para magkaroon kami ng isda. Pag hindi, pag wala kaming isda ngayon, wala kaming ulam. Up here. And that's our dinghy in the background, so that if there is any need to go to shore, we can always use the dinghy hoisted with a 2.5 horsepower outboard. Okay, and this is our helm. I safely anchored, and we are in 65 feet deep of water. Okay. Radio, we have 2 VHF radios connected to port right now, so that we have communication in case we have an emergency. But hopefully the engine is well maintained and we should be okay. Okay, thank you. Signing off.